Hi everyone, Spud. So today I am doing the first little bit of the 1/72 scale tornado. So, like I said earlier when I was doing my messerschmitt, I would be doing this as a build, and yeah. But I decided in the end not to do an update video. I do one update video a day on my messerschmitt. I put the cockpit in and the engine thing on since the last video. So that's going to be tomorrow's update. As you can see, I've painted all parts. The guys don't seem to have a paint code, so I'm going to paint them separately and glue them in. Try and wiggle them in and glue them in. But anyway, let's get on to glue. Now, where's that bloody sprue now? Fuck. What? It's in the bag. It's in the box. Nope, there's access. Right. There we go. So, where did I put my tweezers? Where are the tweezers? There we go. Shit. There you go. So, yeah. Now, I don't quite know how this goes. The instruction booklet ain't that clear. But yeah, so this won't actually take long to build, I hope, but I'm not setting myself a time limit. Because you don't know when it's going to run over. That's a tip for modelers. Don't set yourself a time limit. Well, the easy way, but the hard way at the same time, because God, alright, go at me. Well, I didn't have a go at me, just warn me not to. You warn me all sorts of things. But yeah. So, as you can see, I've been doing this. If you can see it. But yeah. I will try this new tripod setup a little bit. I'm trying to this hand here, I'm trying to keep out the way as much as possible. There is long periods of silence, I am sorry. It's because I'm concentrating. There we go. Now, this is really not an easy kit. That's already an issue. But yeah, there don't seem to be any cockpit stickers, which is weird. But yeah. So the guy sits in that circle bit there. Will the guy still fit? Just about. I'll glue the guy in. I'm not going to bother painting. Or if if I do, then I'm going to glue this now actually. While these two guys are drying, I'm going to paint them. So yeah, that is actually basically it for today actually. So it's not exactly a big build, but the next step is putting the wings on and the top cockpit. I'm going to do that. Unless I do it now. How long have I got there? Pushing it. I tell you what, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. If it cuts out, sauce. If it cuts out, I don't care. I'm only doing the bottom half. So yeah. Wish I had longer to finish doing this. But yeah. Shit. So let me move that out of the way. Let me take the bottom off of the. There we go. So yeah, I'll stick them two guys on later. So yeah, let me just remove a bit of flash. Where's my knife? Where's where I put my knife? Craft knife. Where the fuck did I put my knife? Craft knife. Oh, it's on the floor. Nope. I'll be back when I find my knife, guys. Found the knife, so yeah. Let's do the next stage. That's left. That's the left one. That is the right one. So yeah, let me just. Now I've got a feeling this vid will cut out on me. If that is the case, I am sorry. Wow, spud face. I love models, same person. I've just renamed my channel, so it's the exact same person. So yeah. Now like I said, sorry about the silence. Now I've basically done for this stage. And I've got about a minute left to record. Sorry about that, guys. I just had to go do something. So yeah. So for the last step, it's just securing the wings on. Like so. And just gluing it the actual thing on. So where did we go? There. Shit, it's leaked. Yes. Got a crack in that one, yeah. Repair that after I've done the video. Anyway, part of the video. The next video will be won't be tomorrow, or it might actually, but tomorrow I'm definitely doing the messerschmitt. I'm got exactly 1 minute to do this, so I'm gonna have to move really quick. Actually, I'll do this a little bit off camera. So yeah. So next